Hello kids, welcome back. Kids, let's learn colors name. Yellow color, orange color, black color, brown color. This is light green color, violet color, purple color, green color, blue color, sky blue color. This is pink color and this is red color. Kids, इस वीडियो में हम ट्रेस करेंगे 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's trace 1, O-N-E 1. Kids, this is number 2, T-W-O 2. This is number 3, T-H-R-E-E 3. Now kids, we are tracing number 4, F-O-U-R 4. This is number 5, F-I-V-E 5. Kids, this is number 6, S-I-X 6. 7, S-E-V-E-N 7. Kids, this is number 8, E-I-G-H-T 8. Kids, now write with me 1, 2, 3, and this is number 4, 5, number 6, 7, 8. Kids, let's write with me 1. It's 2. This is number 3. And this is number 4. This is number 5. 6. 7. 8. Kids, it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.